At the airport conversation. Scene 1. Check-in counter. Good afternoon. Where are you flying to today?
To Los Angeles.
Okay, may I see your ticket and passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
Aisle seat, please.
Are you checking any bags?
Just this one.
Okay, please place your bag on the scale.
I have a stopover in San Francisco. Do I need to pick up my luggage there?
No, it'll go straight through to Los Angeles. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 17 and it'll begin boarding at 3:20. Your seat number is 26E. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Scene 2, Security Checkpoint.
Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belt, and use the bins for small objects.
Do I need to take my laptop out of the bag?
Yes, you do. Take off your hat and your shoes too.
Please step back. Do you have anything in your pockets, keys, cell phone, loose change?
I don't think so. Let me try taking off my belt.
You're all set. Have a nice flight.
Scene 3, Boarding.
United Airlines Flight 88 to San Francisco is now boarding.
We would like to invite our first and business class passengers to board. We are now inviting passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding. We would now like to invite all passengers to board.
Scene 4, On the plane.
Excuse me, ma'am. I think you're sitting in my seat.
Oh, really? My mistake.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Flight United 88 with service from Tokyo to San Francisco. We are currently third in line for takeoff and are expected to be in the air in approximately 7 minutes' time. We ask that you please fasten your seat belts at this time and secure all baggage underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Smoking is prohibited for the duration of the flight. Thank you for choosing United Airlines. Enjoy your flight.
Would you like something to drink? We have soda, coffee and tea as well as alcoholic beverages.
Can I have a cup of water, please? Are meals going to be served on this flight?
Dinner will be served halfway through the flight. I will also bring you a snack with your beverage.
Can we choose what we will have for dinner?
Certainly. I will be bringing the menu for you to choose from. We have chicken, fish, and beef.
Is a vegetarian meal available?
Yes, but only if you have requested a special meal when you booked your flight. If not, I will try to find some extra servings of vegetables for you.
That would be great. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, We have just been cleared to land at the San Francisco airport. Please make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened.